today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your bad Piggies app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to check for your list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here until you're looking for bad Piggies app, or just click on search. Then here add bad Piggies app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on your Play Store here. Then here you search for bad Piggies app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.